Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need a few tools for this replacement: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you navigate the process with ease. First, make sure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and completely powered off. Safety is paramount when handling electrical appliances. Next, locate the screws that secure the trigger assembly. You'll find two small screws on the underside of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger away from the handle. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the trigger. If you're unsure about handling these connections, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Now, let's take a closer look at the internal components. Clean any dust or debris inside the handle using a soft brush or compressed air. Keeping these areas clean will enhance the performance of your vacuum. Next, if you have your new trigger ready, position it where the old trigger was located. Ensure that any wires are tucked away safely, avoiding any pinching. If you're not confident in your ability to complete this repair, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about transportation or making calls. With the new trigger in place, take your flathead screwdriver and gently press down on the connector to secure it properly. This step is crucial for maintaining a solid connection, so ensure it's firmly in place. After that, replace the screws you removed earlier. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reattach them, making sure they are snug but not overly tight, as this can damage the plastic. Once everything is secured, give the trigger a test pull to make sure it operates smoothly. If at any point you feel uncertain about proceeding, remember that we can provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in any service you might need. Our goal is to make your experience hassle-free. Finally, after testing the trigger, clean any remaining fingerprints or marks on your Dyson V10 with a microfiber cloth. This will keep your vacuum looking as good as new. In conclusion, replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 is a straightforward process that you can accomplish with a few basic tools. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. Enjoy your freshly repaired vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.